you have a choice here. You can either make it on inspiration or you can make it on desperation. So last night at my end of my day, I had two gentlemen come in for consults, two separate appointments, and it was real interesting. Both were very overweight, but it's interesting with my male patients. And I don't know if you other docs have this issue, but my guys come in and they're like, it takes them forever to make a decision on their health, and they're not going to do anything about it until something falls off, basically. So the conversation that I had with them was really just being really gentle and saying, do you want to continue living like this? These are relatively young men. They're in their mid 40s or early 50s, have a whole life to live ahead of them. They have kids and possible grandkids down the road. And, my question to them is, do you feel like you can live your life the rest of the way you are now? And the answer is always no. But when I ask them to make a commitment, and I always tell them, I said, like, you have a choice here. You can either make it on inspiration or you can make it on desperation. So when I ask them, if you have a choice, what would you do? And they tell me exactly what they would do, which is they would eat better and they would exercise. And if they had a plan to follow, they would do it. When I bring them to that point, they're like, oh, well, I have to think about that. And I'm like, think about your health. My female patients are totally different. I tell my female patients, this is what you need. This is how we're going to do it. And they're like, okay, when do we start? So trying to find that balance and that empathy and that love and caring to really bring that patient to that point where you can get them to their health journey, to even get started in the health journey and create that journey that's not a destination. It's a lifetime and a lifestyle. So think about how you handle your patients. And, if you have thoughts of how you handle patients better, pop it in there. Have a great day.